Get ready for a game changer in the world of smartwatches. Coros watches have just received a major upgrade, and it's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness junkies alike. But here's the twist, it's a feature that Garmin has been nailing for years, and I can't help but wonder why Coros is playing catch-up. When Garmin first introduced a built-in LED flashlight on the Fenix 7X Pro, I admit I didn't give it much thought. But boy, was I wrong. This feature quickly became a game changer, especially for those late-night runs or unexpected power outages. And Garmin wasn't done yet, they kept adding flashlights to their watches, solidifying their position as the go-to brand for outdoor adventurers. However, other brands, including Coros, seem to be missing the memo. Sure, the Sunto Vertical 2 has a flashlight, but Coros was noticeably lagging behind. That is, until now. Coros has finally caught on to the trend and is adding a flashlight mode to their watches, albeit one that utilizes screen brightness instead of a dedicated LED. So, which Coros watches are getting this much-needed upgrade? Here's the full list. Coros Pace 3, Coros Pace Pro, Coros Nomad, Coros Apex 2, Coros Apex 2 Pro, Coros Apex 4, Coros Vertix 2, Coros Vertix 2S. That's right, the entire current range of Coros watches, plus a few previous generation models, will be getting this free software upgrade. Only a handful of older models, like the Coros Pace 2, will miss out. To get this update, you'll need to have the latest version of the Coros app. Open the app, find your device in the My Devices section, and look for the Update Now bar. The process took me about 10 minutes via Wi-Fi, but you can also do it over Bluetooth if you prefer. Along with the flashlight feature, this update also introduces menstrual cycle tracking and the ability to crop activities on your Coros watch. Using the flashlight is a breeze once you've installed the update. Simply hold down the back button on your Coros watch to access the toolbox, scroll to the flashlight icon, and tap to activate. You can adjust the brightness to one of 3 levels, or even enable a flashing red SOS mode. To turn it off, just hit the back button. While it's not as bright as a dedicated LED flashlight, this update is still a welcome addition, especially for those with the Coros Pace Pro. Its AMOLED screen provides a brighter flashlight experience compared to the MIP screens on other Coros devices. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this upgrade enough to make Coros watches truly competitive with Garmin? I mean, Garmin has been nailing this feature for years, and Coros is just now catching up. Should we expect more from Coros, or are they on the right track? What do you think? Is this flashlight upgrade a game changer for Coros, or are they still playing catch-up to Garmin? Let's discuss in the comments.